Howdy YouTubes. This is my Bastion Slim. I think it was February when I got this. So I've been using it every day for good, 8 months almost. I do like it very much. This is the only bolt action pen I've ever got, because they're usually pretty expensive. And I can't really imagine spending a whole lot of money on an ink pen. It is really important to me how pens write. I like them to write good. So this did cost me, I think it was $38. And a lot of people think that's pretty crazy for an ink pen. But I use it every day. I use it a lot. I've gone through a lot of ink. It takes I think they're the normal Parker cartridges, standard or gel. I've bought all mine from Bastion. These are the gels. And these are the standard. They are the 0.7s, which I would like to get I think 0.5 if there is. So my lines would be a little skinnier. I've been running the gel. It does put out a lot of ink. Sometimes I even wipe it with a tissue. Sometimes it globs up. It can smear if you touch it right away. The standard inks don't do that. But I can see the gel. I can see what I'm writing better with the gel. Puts out more ink. This red thing is off of a normal disposable pen. So this is pretty slippery feeling a lot of times to me. So I stole this off of a regular clicky disposable pen. Stuck it on here. Normal Parker. These are from Bastion. It's very clicky. It's fun to click and play with. Makes noise. I do really like this grip on here. I usually carry it clipped on my front right pocket, in front of whatever knife is in my front right pocket. Doggy. I think this knob has bent downwards a little bit. It doesn't seem to gonna break off. What's out there, doggy? But it hasn't broke off. Hopefully it doesn't. I'm not sure what kind of warranty Bastion has, but so it's got little nicks and dings. A lot of times when I'm walking around at work, I tap on every single thing that I walk past just to make noise. Oh, I did drop this thing one time just from like waist height. And it dented, this is aluminum, some kind of aluminum. It dented the inside diameter. You can tell it's all kind of screwed up. So it was making the ink cartridge either not come out, or it would come out and get stuck like out there. So I had to do some reaming with my Swiss Army knife. Reamed out the inside of the hole. I mean, I just dropped it from waist height on a concrete floor, so it hit perfectly, I guess, and dented the inside. But I fixed it. It's been fine ever since. I enjoy this pen very much. It is worth $38 to me, especially if I keep on using it. And this is the Slim. I think I said that, but this is a Bastion Slim. A lot of bolt action seems like they're big, fat, Sharpie sized pens. I don't want a big old fat Sharpie sized pen. I could write something. So, try to write looking through my phone. That's hard to do. I'll look normal. So it writes really good. I have to do a lot of writing at work. Sign and date a million things and write little measurements in little spots. So I use this every day. I use it a lot. It's got a bunch of scuffs and nicks, but it works good. I highly recommend Bastion Slim. Thanks for watching.